Good morning, folks. I've left County Meath and I'm in County Cavan at a place called Tullydermot Falls. A small but beautiful waterfall. Never been here before, so I'm here this morning going to try and capture one or two images. It's been a long time since I actually photographed waterfalls. Some beautiful trees around here as well, so I'm going to get the wide angle lens out, I'm going to get the long lens out, spend an hour or two here and see what I get. But I think the creative juices are flowing, so I'm actually quite excited by this. Typical, the sun's come out just as I found a composition I really like. My fingers crossed you can see this. I really like this composition. I love these rocks here and holding the composition in, sweeping up. He's got these dark rocks on the right hand side. Gorgeous bit of greenery popping through and stunning movement in the water. I'm shooting this f/16, about 6 seconds. Hopefully you can hear me above the roar of the waterfall. I've been stuck in this little beside this tree for the last 20 minutes or so. I got a composition I really like. It makes beautiful use of the waterfall just dripping over the edge, and they've got gorgeous little shimmers of light at the top of the waterfall before it tips over. Shooting it straight, no filters required, f/16, 60 a second, which is just giving me enough movement in the water but retaining a lot of detail. Here you can see that shimmer of light I was talking about. Gorgeous, really happy with this. Top tip for the next time you're in a hotel, shower caps, take them, essential, especially in Ireland where it's absolutely raining cats and dogs quite a lot. It's tipping down right now, oh my god. I think I'm going to be here for a while waiting this one out. So here's the comp I'm going to try. I've got the camera set up here, I've got this boulder here in the foreground, sweep of a tree and the waterfall in the distance there. And I've got these kind of two limbs from another tree over here rolling down, and the tree here kind of clamping the frame in. Gonna take a couple of images here, and I'll probably try focus stacking as well to make sure I get some detail in this tree. Still not convinced by the composition, so I'll take a couple of frames. As I say, pixels are cheap, and we'll see how it goes. So I've come down from the top more to the base of the waterfall. You actually got great access to it. Trying a couple of frames here. I've dropped the little stopper on. It's getting a bit too bright now and I want to drag that shutter. I've got a nice frame in here. I got this rock coming in on the right hand side. Waterfall just spilling in from the top. And I'm taking one or two shots here with and without the little stopper, as I said. Stunning.
So before calling it quits today, I decided to try and get one more image. Get in as close as possible to the water as it tumbled over the rock face. I used the 16 to 35mm lens and captured the drama of that water as it tumbled over the rocks. A little stopper was used to drag that shutter, but I think this may be the image I like the best from the trip to Tullydermot Falls. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
Okay folks, that's it for this week. Think I got 1 or 2 images. Stunning location. Can't believe I haven't been here before. Pretty confident I got an image, so let's take a look back later on the computer. And don't forget, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button or ring the bell or the ring ding ding machine, whatever it's called. And I'll see you again next week.